Welcome. This is Self-Hypnosis Goddess. Welcome to the timeline where results arrive with ease, unbothered, precise, and exactly on schedule. Breathe, soften, melt as your crown switches online. Here is how you write this. Believe with your heart. Trust with your senses. And let my voice and words code your system. And when this session ends, click the link below to access the Self-Crowned Series 1 audio kit and guidebook to lock in daily wins, keep results compounding, and multiply your empire morning, day, and night. Now let's begin. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Money pours in, as if it's obsessed with me. Because every goal I set triggers instant gain, and the world bends to my clever designs. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Every decision I make always hits the jackpot. Every investment lands at my timing. Fortune bows to my inner command. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Bank apps light up in playful obedience. Every vision I hold rushes to become real. Gold settles at my feet like a crown. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Assets multiply as if enchanted. Every deal blooms in my favor. Prosperity answers every word I speak. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Every business move generates reward. Streams of income flow like fine silk. Every plan I craft manifests instantly. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Every strategy I voice ripples into gain. Opportunities orbit, ready for my touch. Wealth lands softly in my royal lap. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Every venture I start becomes gold-lined. Every account lights up with success. Fortune flows visible in ego. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Resources appear with flawless precision. Every asset aligns with my ambition. Cash and comfort arrive in real time. The universe always delivers everything as promised. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Money pours in, as if it's obsessed with me. Because every goal I set triggers instant gain, and the world bends to my clever design. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Every decision I make, always hits the jackpot. Every investment lands at my timing. Fortune bows to my inner calm. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Bank apps light up in playful beacons. Every vision I hold, rushes to become real. Gold settles at my feet like a crown. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Assets multiply as if enchanted. Every deal blooms in my favor. Prosperity answers every word I speak. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Every business move generates reward. Streams of income flow like fine silk. Every plan I craft manifests instantly. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Every strategy I voice ripples into gain. Opportunities orbit, ready for my touch. Wealth lands softly in my royal lap. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Every venture I start becomes gold line. Every account lights up with success. Fortune flows visible in egos. Money arrives with ease, unbothered and precise. Resources appear with flawless precision. Every asset aligns with my ambition. Cash and comfort arrive in real time. The universe always delivers everything as promised.